So we have this oil serum. It's very good for the skin. It's good for skin lightening. It defines ages. It helps with dry skin. It's good for sun protector. It smooths out the skin and is suitable for all skin type, as you can see. Then we have this cream. So it's good for also the age. It helps protect the skin, nourishes the skin, improves skin quality, helps with day treatments, protects all skin from wind, cold, and the sun. Then we have this hair oil, which is very good for hair growth, as you can see. It promotes hair growth, prevents hair loss, moisturizes the hair, prevents grey hair, and it helps to shine the hair. The products are almost done, as you can see.